Welcome back to the next tip in my Outlook productivity series. Previously, I've showed you how to take control of your inbox with quick steps, how to send your calendar in an email, and how to create email templates to speed up your productivity. Today's video is one I've been asked for so many times: how to color code incoming emails from specific people in Outlook. We're going to be using Outlook's conditional formatting tools to color code our emails, to prioritize our time and our responses, and to make sure we never miss an email from our boss again. So we start in Outlook and we head to the view settings to change how things will look. From this pop-up menu, we head down here to conditional formatting. When the conditional formatting dialog box opens, you can see some existing rules already set as default. Let's set a color code for the incoming emails from our boss, and we'll make it bold so we never miss an email from them again. Click New and name it, and then choose Font to change the look of the emails. You can see here that you can change the font style and the size to really make these emails stand out. I'm going to make these emails bold, and I'm going to change the colour to pink. Now we've decided the colour and the style of the emails we want to get from Alexa, we need to direct Outlook to apply these to all emails received from her. So we choose Condition here, and in the From options, we type in our email address and then click OK and OK. Now if we look at our inbox, we can see emails from Alexa Noble are highlighted in colour. Easy. Now one thing that really does do my head in is how many messages I'm CC'd into, and very often the messages aren't directly related to me or needing me to action them, but the sender wants to keep me in the loop. Because these emails aren't usually urgent, but they do need me to review them, I'm going to colour code them so that I can check them out later on. And just as a side note, I do try to let people know that if I'm only CC'd into a message, I'll take that as a signal that I don't need to action anything yet. And if I do need to take action, then I should be included in the to list and not CC'd into the message. So let's go back to the View tab and then Conditional Formatting. We'll make all of our CC'd emails blue. Next we choose Condition, and this time we check the box Where I Am. And in this drop down, select On the CC line with other people and click OK and OK. And now when a message comes in that I'm CC'd into, it shows up as blue, and I know it's likely I won't need to action it straight away. So now I'll know how important an email is before I've even opened it. If you're looking for more Outlook hacks for better email management, check out my Outlook Productivity Tricks for Busy Professionals playlist. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all of my tech tips for teachers. And I'll see you again for another Tuesday Tech Tip.